Did you know that your brain is the most complex object in the known universe? It's true, and it's also responsible for some pretty hilarious things. For example, did you know that your brain can trick you into seeing things that aren't there? Or that it can make you forget things that you know you know? Your brain is also capable of some pretty amazing things. For example, it can process information at an incredible speed, and it can store a vast amount of information. It's also responsible for your ability to learn and grow. So next time you're feeling down, just remember that your brain is an incredible organ that's capable of some pretty amazing things. And it's also responsible for your ability to laugh, which is one of the best things in life. So now I want to share with you 20 random facts about the brain that will blow your mind. 1. The human brain is the most complex object in the known universe. It contains about 86 billion neurons, each of which can connect with up to 10,000 other neurons. 2. The brain is constantly generating electricity. In fact, it produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. 3. The brain is about 60% fat. This fat is essential for protecting the brain and helping it to function properly. 4. The brain is very efficient at using energy. It only accounts for about 2% of the body's weight, but it uses about 20% of the body's energy. 5. The brain is constantly learning and changing. This process is called neuroplasticity. 6. The brain is constantly generating new neurons. This process is called neurogenesis. 7. The brain is very resilient. It can recover from damage that would be fatal to other organs. 8. The brain is very active even when we are sleeping. It is responsible for regulating our breathing, heart rate, and body temperature. 9. The brain is constantly changing and adapting. This is why we are able to learn new things and remember experiences. Then the brain is the most complex organ in the human body. We are still only beginning to understand how it works. Now, I've shared 10 interesting facts about the brain. Please like this video and comment below to let us know which fact intrigued you the most. And please subscribe my channel. 11. The brain is the most energy-consuming organ in the body. It accounts for about 20% of the body's energy use, even though it only makes up about 2% of the body's weight. 12. The brain is constantly working, even when we are asleep. It is responsible for regulating our breathing, heart rate, and body temperature. 13. The brain is very adaptable. It can learn new things and make new connections, even in adulthood. 14. The brain is very complex. We are still only beginning to understand how it works. 15. The brain is an amazing organ that allows us to do all the things that make us human. We should take care of it by eating healthy, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. 16. The brain is made up of about 86 billion neurons, each of which can connect with up to 10,000 other neurons. This vast network of connections is what allows us to think, feel, and learn. 17. The brain is constantly generating new neurons. This process is called neurogenesis, and it is most active in the hippocampus, a part of the brain that is responsible for memory. 18. The brain is very plastic. This means that it can change and adapt in response to experience. This plasticity is what allows us to learn new things and recover from injury. 19. The brain is very efficient. It uses only about 20% of the body's energy, even though it makes up about 2% of the body's weight. 20. The brain is still a mystery. We are only beginning to understand how it works, and there is still much to learn. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel.